8:06. And saying good morning. Good morning. It's beach day. And saying me, the guys, you, your cousin, gonna be fire. Tight shit. Tight shit. First time on the camera too. Huh?
Nothing.
Hey yo. Bug it.
Yeah.
You better watch where you're going, bro. Look.
Well, baby, I just love it when you slide. But baby, don't waste my time. Baby, I'm just trying to see you right. And we gon' ride into the morning light. Now, baby girl, why you so fine? Like, how'd you get so fine? Baby, I'm just trying to make you mine. So please don't waste my time. She wanna leave me for me.
Hey man, where your mom at?
Where your dad at?
Where you did it? Oh shit, my fault. Yes, sir.
Peace dad, boy. Welcome to your island, my island.
Look at the MTV Islands. My island, not your island. Look at the island over there. Look at the island over here. You got two islands.
See that in the back? Got like 3 mil on that bitch. All routed.
Pause, bro. Hey, yo. Nah, this is mad gay, bro. What? Nah.
I would never.
Is it?
Yeah, it's the same thing that they were putting in 6 months.
Oh, the Catwoman whip joint? Yeah, fuck that shit.
Imagine just sitting up there.
Fuck no. I'm cool. Oh, my fault.
How you turn the bag to
Proud dad, yo.
Proud unk. It is. Hold up.
Everything the light touches is our kingdom.
Word. Hold on. Word.
So with y'all lean ass nigga, we get one-on-one. You know what I'm saying? He call me Coach Destroying. What's the coach name from Destroying? Coach
Coach K.
Coach K. Word. Say shit. Who up? Oh shit. You ugly as shit.
Yo, back up, bro.
Oh, he up. Oh, what the fuck?
Talking about me.
What the fuck was that? What the fuck was that?
I'm not QB, man. I'm a tight end.
I should have never gave him the ball.
Lying, bro.
Yeah, you should have stayed with the ball. I should
nigga
have never given him the ball.
Lying
I
at
threw the game hard. I thought you was gonna go.
Lying at shit, let me get it routed.
I got you.
Who? With who? Who? He said somebody got him.
Omar on the ones? He said he lucky as shit. Me personally, I would never let anybody disrespect me like that. Yeah. Me personally, I would never let anybody try and lock me like that. But I guess that's just me. Oh shit! See, that's your fucking problem now. Get back. Get it back in blood. What's he talking about? Oh shit, nigga almost killed himself.
Sorry. Right.
Damn. Niggas
He ejected.
Niggas a loser. walking. Look at that big ass head.
Bro, stop going all the way out, bro. Run the sprint.
Nigga like Zeus.
Wait, gonna take that video.
Look like Zion. So you said.
Yeah, Mo! Yeah, Mo! Run that shit back, bro.
The swung his body to the side.
Oh my God! Oh nah! There's no fucking way, bro. That was a dot. Come on, Demon. Come on, Demon. Come on, Demon. After him. After him. After him. All right, Taylor. Come on, Demon.
I'm on BT. Bad timing, nigga.
Oh my God! Yeah. He's running! He's out! He's out!
Expose him! Expose him!
Celebrate! Celebrate! Give this man a line up! Celebrate! Hey! Line up!
Like, got no defense. I promise you, Kobe would. Hi, how are ya?
Ugly ass nigga. Stupid ass nigga. Run, nigga. I said stupid ass nigga. You are petite too. You are petite too. Man, you fucking walking into people. Dumb ass nigga. You know what I'm saying? Just walking. Walking and vlogging. Vlogging and walking. Saying. Walking and vlogging. Vlogging and walking.
Vlogging and walking, walking and vlogging.
Walking and vlogging. What's the word, gang?
Where the Hurricanes at?
Hmm?
Are you gonna keep me shopping with you?
They got what? Oh. Henna tattoo. It's not a real tattoo. No, not really. What's the word? What's the word? Fucking ass, nigga. Babe. You gonna do it, bro? You gonna do it?
Yeah. Shit, maybe.
You gonna do it, nigga? Gotta hit that shit. Hold on. I got you in 1 second, baby.
I got in my bag too.
They got ATM right there. I'm about to pull cash.
Hold on, let me take you with you. No. I'm not doing that shit. He's not about to get big. We gotta get big. You going hard?
Hard? Nah.
Hey, yo.
Hey, yo. Get sturdy, nigga. Get sturdy, nigga. Fuck you in the Cotton Eye Joe, dickhead. Nah, this nigga. No, this nigga is ass.
Nigga, where the fuck is you?
Hold on.
You're supposed to stand in the middle, bro.
You said you look like a GTA stripper.
Get me in there.
Okay, hold on. Wait a minute. You're going slow, kid.
Miss.
He's freestyling now.
Why is he hitting some of this shit? The one John said perfect. Nah, Miss Crazy is... Okay, hold on.
So I'm done. It's terrible, bro. You put it on hard. What's your set?
That's why I said the next camera I'm gonna get. But you aiming it perfectly right now.
We out here. Okay, so he's trying to get me that job right there.
$80 per blade?
Huh?
Nigga, I'm tough as shit. I'm tough as shit. Stop playing with me. Stop playing with my body, nigga.
Nah, baby. Camera.
You might be sick.
That scared rap on God, you scared pussy ass boy. Fuck what?
Why you look like you just mean mug the camera? Tight shit, get some grub. Word. You want a basketball? I'll go out. Drop your pocket. Stupid ass.
I want that joint.
You want it? Damn. He won you a prize, bro? Yeah, like. Damn, he won you a prize, bro?
Now you just stop munching, bro.
You was dicking all earlier. Shut the fuck up. hey, yo. Come this way.
Right, so personally, me, I wouldn't let another nigga win me a prize.
Yeah.
Like, he was happy about it.
He was happy as shit?
It might be weird, bro.
Some...
It's trying to be weird. What niggas doing? You back on the beach? Come on.
No, I'm not gonna lie, I'm not going back on the beach.
I'm not going back over there. You don't have to respect.
Tight time. Get sturdy, nigga, get sturdy. Hey. Park here for $20. For $20, wait, park here for $20. Hey, wait. Nigga said, do that again. Who told you to get sturdy again, bro? Yeah. You could pay him to do yours. He the raised bitch. Alright, so day after the beach. Tired as shit. Came home, went to sleep. Everybody went home. It's a great solo.
Yep.
Forgot to do an outro yesterday, so. But I did this and word. So, yeah. I always feel so awkward doing this because I'm like, I don't know what to really say.
What, like outros and intros?
Yeah.
Yeah.
See you guys in the next video, I guess.
Bye.
So trying to be weird.
I be telling her this shit be so simple. Pop from the bed like I found me a pimple. Rip out her tracks and I grab on her dimples. Had me lay down, she on top like, hold on.